Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove shadow to PNG image in Photoshop. So get started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see remove shadow to PNG image in Photoshop. Now firstly open the PNG image in Photoshop. Now go into the file menu option, then click from open option. Now select from PNG picture. Now click for open option. Now open the PNG picture. Now firstly add the shadow. Now go into the layer option. Now click from layer, mouse right button option. Now click from blending option. Now click from drop shadow. Now you can see its distance shadow. Now click OK. That is, then you can see, now resize your picture, then we show the add shadow. This shadow is removed. Now go into the again layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from blending option. Now remove the tick mark, that option. Now click OK. That is, now you can see remove shadow to PNG image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.